All right, question number 22 says the vertices of a triangle on the coordinate plane are A is 0, 0, B is 2, 0, and C is 0, 2. What would the coordinates of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime if triangle ABC was dilated by a scale factor of 1/3? All right, so when we dilate by a scale factor, we're going to multiply our x and y by 1/3. So we'll do 1/3 times our x coordinate and 1/3 times our y coordinate. So let's just do each one. We've got 0, 0. So if we multiply 0 times 1/3, we're still going to get 0. So A prime is going to be 0, and 0 times 1/3 is still 0. All right, B is at 2, 0. So we're going to multiply 2 times 1/3, and then 0 times 1/3 is simply 0. So we have B prime is 2/3, 0. C is at 0, 2. So if we multiply 0 times 1/3, that gives us 0. And then 2 times 1/3 gives us 2/3. So our C prime is 0, 2/3. So we want to look at which one has these three coordinates. So 0, 0, 2/3, 0, 0, 2/3. C is the right answer.